Let's make Sardinian flatbread. It's a simple recipe, and you end up with crunchy and delicious bread that's good on almost anything. Oh yeah. This recipe comes from the How Not to Die cookbook, and it's really easy to make, so let's get started. In a bowl, we're just going to add 1.5 cups of semolina flour, 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Then we're going to mix 1/4 teaspoon of yeast in with 1.5 cups of warm water. We add all that to our bowl, and we're going to go ahead and give it a good stir to get all the ingredients combined. And once that's done, we're just going to put a lid on it and let it rest for 1.5 hours in a warm spot. Take some flour and put it on your counter or your cutting board, and take out the dough, which should have risen a little bit, and divide it into 4 to 6 pieces. Then you'll take each piece of dough and start rolling it out, adding lots of flour as you go to make sure that it doesn't stick. And you want to roll this out and get it as thin as you can. Add a little more flour, and then take your thin sheet of dough, put it onto a pizza peel. That's what I found to be the easiest way to do this. And slide that pizza peel into an oven at 400 degrees until it starts to puff up and get nice and crispy. Then take it out, pile them up, and you've got Sardinian flatbread. One of the best ways to eat this is with a drizzle of high quality olive oil, some flaky sea salt, and some Italian herbs. Enjoy!